Ever pondered the secrets that your phone holds? Intriguing, isn't it? Today, we delve into the wondrous world of hidden phone functions. First on our list is the flash notifications. This feature turns your camera flash into a notification light, blinking whenever you receive a notification. It's a subtle, yet effective way to keep track of your messages without constantly checking your phone screen. Next, we have running apps side by side. This function allows you to open two apps simultaneously on your screen. Take note, multitaskers, this one's a game changer. The third hidden function is app pinning, or as some might call it, locking phone borrowers to one app. This feature locks your phone to a single app, preventing the user from accessing other apps or changing settings. It's a perfect safeguard when lending your phone to someone. The fourth feature, one-handed mode, is a blessing for those with smaller hands or just when you're juggling multiple things. It shrinks the display down to a more manageable size, making it easier to navigate your phone with just one hand. Moving on, we have customizing regional preferences. This function allows you to tailor your phone's language, time, and even currency settings to match your location. It's like having a little piece of home everywhere you go. The sixth hidden function is the ability to choose default apps. This feature gives you the power to decide which app opens by default when you perform a certain action. For instance, you can set your favorite music app to open when you plug in your headphones. Lastly, we have screencasting. This feature allows you to project your phone screen onto a larger display using Chromecast. It's perfect for presentations, movie nights, or just showing off your latest high score in that new game. In summary, we've covered 7 hidden phone functions today. Flash notifications, running apps side by side, app pinning, one-handed mode, customizing regional preferences, choosing default apps, and screencasting. These features not only enhance the functionality of your phone, but also make it a more personalized tool, tailored to your needs. So the next time you're fiddling with your phone, remember, it holds more secrets than you think. And who knows, you might just discover a new hidden function that'll make your life a tad bit easier.